Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the accounts and launching Bgmi. Open the game and sign into the main account you want to keep. Once done, verify the app is updated and on a stable connection because interruptions can corrupt links. Make sure you know the login credentials for the other two accounts, Facebook and Google Play, so you can authorize quickly. This avoids repeated reauthentication and prevents accidental overwrites. You need clarity on which account holds your items and which will be secondary. Now you link the second account. Go to Settings, choose Basic, then Link Account to view available providers. Select Facebook or Google and follow the on-screen sign-in. When the OAuth dialog appears, allow the requested permissions so Bgmi can read the account identifier. Pay attention to the displayed account name or email before you confirm. This prevents linking the wrong profile. Once the confirmation screen shows success, the game will display a linked badge. You can repeat for the third account after this finishes. Finish by adding the third account the same way. Settings Basic Link Account, pick the remaining provider and complete sign-in. After linking, immediately verify each linked provider is listed in Settings so you confirm success and see which one is primary. Make sure you log out and back in once to test persistence. If something goes wrong, permissions denied or a link fails, clear the app cache, restart your device, and retry. If duplicate account warnings appear, pause and read prompts to avoid overwriting progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.